Rajya Sabha MP Ningthosana Jawba Lishamba urged people of Manipur to celebrate Ningol Chakuba, Lai Harauba, Kangjeibung and other cultural festivals in a subdued manner. He made this appeal during the 45th Annual Fish Fair Fish Crop Competition 2024 organized by Department of Fishery today at Hapta, Kangjeibung in anticipation of the Ningol Chakuba festival. Speaking on the occasion, he emphasized that suspending all cultural festivals due to the ongoing crisis might be perceived as a sign of weakness by outsiders. He encouraged the public to observe these festivals in subdued manner. Speaking further, he highlighted the importance of fish in the lives of the people of Manipur, noting its significance from birth to death. He called for efforts to enhance fishery production in the state and encouraged the community to fill ponds and construct community halls, as well as to develop more community ponds.
Sak ngaga ko yaw da bayate sak nga taro songgani hayeng sire lai ting to da thoro mayam to matung hayeng nga tang ba na mu lakan nga mu sagan adu ki marak mayam du sun nga sai yamru sa du ngamu sin sinba kanon to da mai te gi nga am na maru ba po na mai te gi nga adu nga yaw da gadi mai te hi mo suk maru ba po sa ai khoi nga stu mi pan tang ye ba gi darkar we ba se consume to ne heli production handari adu si kamai to khu me ka sige haibadu masi yaw maru we na khanjai अखोई अरी बंगा सिंह से हौजी उछलक्ते कमाई तरोगे अखोई अरी बंगा सिंह से समना है अखोई सरेंग पेंगबा ngaton masi khara hena chumla kha ki ngaton amaka ubadu na tab adi pengba amaka ubadu na tab kamai toro masi akhoi miyam da mapung phana piba ngamgada ge haibagi masi akhoi fishery mari lena department fishery na su adu akhoi miyam na su masida kari to yage se ko phone mi la bam chage.
Kangjeibung stated that the state can produce 35 to 36 metric tons of fish annually and lauded the efforts of local farmers. He emphasized that if all farmers put more efforts to enhance fish production, it could significantly reduce the need for fish imports.
Fishery department Kanna soba akhoi initiative ama lawa kanda akhoi fish production je hengalakna ba haigana akhoi honorable chief minister lising makhada akhoi 2017-18 aga dagi hawra kanda akhoi kanna meng changaga lakhi maru aina akhoi lotak livelihood mission adagi akhoi sharing project kana tawra kanda akhoi adumba soba effort ama akhoi director ga laiba akhoi team fishery department ki laiba officials sing aduga fish farmers sing akhoi tumma chaba khangdana manipur praja miyam gi damakta akhoi ngagi production ji hena scale up tawna ba haidana akhoi kanna ga honor ga lakhi bani haidana Hajani Maruina, Pacific Laiba, requirement consumption, Manipur Givina, Pacific Laiba say 45-50 at the Manila and Badu Pacific Givina, report a Malogzamatanda, 52 to 53,000 metric tons, requirements is Manila, Adamapo, Hana Matamamada, Nagi productions is somewhere 2019-20 data. Production say 25,000 metric ton gumba koi state ki na koi produce to goina mana to mune adu kanna hona badagi akhoi honorable chief minister lising makada koi mayam akhoi fishery department adu fish farmers mayam kanna hona badagi tawla da hojik koi charakna figure say 35,000 to 36,000 metric ton se akhoi state ki na koi puthok ngamme haidana mayam da masigi ai announce to jane budani.
District Fisheries Officer, Thobal Field Assistant and renowned artist Likmabam Dani extend wishes for Ningol Chakuba at the Fish Mela.
Fish farmer amagi khwaidagi chawgo manglan se that level gi fisheries department ila iba sugum ngagi mela se self yajawa hebase it's a dignity, it's an honor and it's a lifetime opportunity in a khanmani maramdi khairi banami asida mahaki ngagi nathok pothok mayam du miyam uchaba phangbuga loina na sendong leina yon jiba one day da maramdi kilo lising manga da hina nipan bawda farmer mana no mada na yon bai se market puri yon matam oiroi da bani na sipagi occasion lai na yon bagi occasion lai this is the perfect occasion to sell of huge amount of quantities of fish by a fisherman.
Aigi wakhanda hai tare ko masi lepa yaroi di ka yunoti paidagi hena khoi lamdam sigi hai tare ko khoi gi lai house da hujar projingi paidagi hena sibagi mari da punjanba hena imungi wakhalon da punjanba ningo chako bose mamang sei da khoi awana tadna khoi lepre tabudu matung tadi awana purma kokna chako bose hena mung panu sinabagi mung sinabagi khoi lamsta mina ba zat dimanga amato sinabagi mari se hena proportion ne hajani
ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯂꯥꯟꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯤꯛꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯤꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯗ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ